Good day, sir. So today we're going to present or demonstrate the life and cares technique. So these are rescue techniques used to safely move an injured person while preventing further injury. We'll also discuss emergency rescue transfer, proper body mechanics, and different one-man, two-man, and three or more person carry techniques. So before that, let me introduce our members. So first one is.
Good day, sir. I am Glenn Janigas Arpon Barmis.
Good day, I am Cristian Ralph Balsamo.
I am G.R. Latua.
And I am the engineer Pero.
I am Rodel Perez.
Let's begin.
One-man carry techniques. One-man carry are used when only one rescuer is available. These include the ankle pull, shoulder pull, blanket pull, lover's carry, firefighter's carry, and piggyback carry. Each technique is used depending on the victim condition and emergency situation.
Shoulder pull is a first aid rescue technique used to move an injured person a short distance when there is an immediate danger, such as fire, collapsing structures, or traffic, and no safer method is available. Ankle pull refers to a first aid technique used to move or drag an injured person by holding and pulling the ankle area, usually when the person cannot walk and must be moved away from danger. It is often used in emergency situations where quick evacuation is needed. Blanket pull is a first aid emergency rescue technique in which an injured person is placed on a blanket, sheet, or similar material and then pulled across the ground to move them away from immediate danger. So the purpose of it is to move a victim safely when they cannot walk. Lover's carry is a two-person first aid carrying technique used to transport a conscious, lightweight victim who is able to assist the rescuer by holding on. So in this method, the rescuer carries the victim in both arms across the chest, similar to how a person might carry a loved one. So the purpose of it is to move a conscious victim a short distance. Firefighter's carry is a one-person emergency carrying technique in which the rescuer lifts the victim over one shoulder to transport them when a quick evacuation is necessary. So the purpose of it is to move an unconscious or injured person over a short distance during an emergency. Piggyback carry is a one-person carrying technique in which the victim rides on the rescuer back while holding on the rescuer's shoulders or neck. The purpose is to transport a conscious victim who is able to hold on. Two-man carry. Two-man carries are safer for heavier or injured victims. These include the human crutch or two-person drag, four-handed set, and two-handed set. These methods provide better support and reduce the risk of injury to both victim and rescuers. Human crutch. A human crutch is a method of assisting an injured or weak person to walk by having a rescuer support the person's body weight using the rescuer's shoulder and arm as a support, similar to a crutch. Four-handed set. A four-handed set is a carrying technique where two rescuers interlock their hands to form a set, allowing an injured person to sit on their joined hands while being carried. It is commonly used when the victim is conscious and can support themselves. Four-handed set. A four-handed set is a carrying technique where two rescuers interlock their hands to form a set, allowing an injured person to sit on their joined hands while being carried. It is commonly used when the victim is conscious and can support themselves.
Three or more person carries. When more rescuers are available, the hammock, carry, and stretcher lift are best options. These techniques provide maximum support and are ideal for victims with serious injuries. In conclusion, knowing the proper lifts and carries can save lives while keeping both the rescuer and victim safe.
Hammock carry is a two-person or three-person first aid carrying technique in which rescuers interlock their hands and arms to form a seat or hammock for the victim to sit on. The purpose is to transport a conscious victim who can sit upright. Stretcher lift is a first aid technique used by two or more rescuers to safely lift and carry an injured person on a stretcher. Purpose is to transport a seriously injured or unconscious victim safely.